Welcome back to my YouTube channel Healthy Lifestyle with Saira. In today's video, we are going to talk about the habits that damage the brain cells. A habit is a regular practice that most of us are dependent on. Human brain is the most important organ of our body, and we all fail to think that the brain also requires exercise or training and nutrition for it to function well. It controls everything we do, and it's important to take care of it by making healthy choices. Unfortunately, many people make habits that can hurt their brain. In this video, we will discuss some of the most common bad habits and how they can damage our brain. Habit number 1 is lack of socializing. Loneliness is linked to depression and a higher risk for Alzheimer's and can accelerate cognitive decline. Less socially active people lose more of the brain's gray matter, that is the outer layer that processes information. Second habit that can cause to damage the brain cells is overeating. It is said that too much of anything is bad. The same applies to our brain too. We tend to overeat. If the brain is not functioning normally, overeating leads to brain damage. Overeating leads to deposition of cholesterol plaque and thickening of the blood vessels in the brain, causing reduced blood supply to the brain cells. This can cause serious damage to the normal functioning of the brain. It is found that overeating leads to Alzheimer's disease. Overeating leads to obesity, which in turn damages our self-image and self-confidence, and can lead to depression and other psychological problems. Eating sugary foods. We all consume sugar in most of our food and beverages. High consumption of refined sugar is known to destroy the ability of the brain and body to absorb proteins and nutrients. Poor nutrition will lead to malnourishment and brain disorders like poor memory, learning disorders, hyperactivity, and depression. Adding a large Coke to your happy meal is loaded with nearly 20 spoonfuls of sugar. Habit number 4 is sedentary lifestyle. Sitting most of the day as a normal routine is a risk factor to damage your health. Even if you have an office job, you must walk around for a few minutes to exercise your legs. Exercise decreases inflammation and stimulates the chemicals that maintain the health and survival of our brain cells. In addition, studies have shown that most time spent sitting has been linked to thinning of the region of the brain critical for the formation of memory. Habit number 5 that causes to damage your brain cells is listening to loud music. Constant exposure to loud noise can affect your brain's recognition of speech sounds, leading to noise-induced loss of hearing. Loud sound has also been linked to the risk of developing mental health conditions such as dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Another habit that causes the damage of brain cells is lack of sleep. When you can't sleep well, the brain struggles to function properly. It is one major habit that causes serious damage to parts of the brain responsible for cognition and alertness. Lack of sleep can also lead to mental decline, which can ultimately lead to mental conditions. Last habit that causes to damage the brain cells is skipping breakfast. Breakfast provides your brain and body fuel to kickstart your day. Skipping it regularly can make you feel drowsy and unable to concentrate due to lower blood sugar level. Doing this regularly will deprive your brain of the essential nutrients and signals required for proper functioning. This is specifically important for children and teenagers as their brains are in the developing stages. This is all about the habits that damage our brain cells. Thanks for watching my video. For any health related question or query, you can ask in the comment section below. Goodbye.